Hello, and welcome back to my channel, the Vintage Phone Guy here. And today I will drop you back in 2006 so we can see the LG KG800. Display TFT 256K color. Resolution 176 with a 220 pixel. Sensitive navigation key with blacklight. No memory card. Internal memory 128 megabyte. No selfie, no loudspeaker, no 3.5 jack, no Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 1.2. Camera 1.3 megapixel. If you see it in the end, I will show you one picture as well. LED flashlight. SMS, MMS, email WAP 2.0. MP3, MP4 player. Information provided by GSM Arena. We have a removable 800 mAh battery. A standby time, it was up to 200 hours. In a talking time, it was up to 6 hours. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. The Vintage Phone Guy.